The baby okra plant is a young stage of the okra plant, a popular vegetable grown in many warm regions of the world. Okra is widely known for its tender green pods that are used in many delicious dishes. The baby okra plant begins its life from a small seed planted in warm soil. Within a few days, the seed starts to sprout, and a tiny green seedling appears above the soil. At this early stage, the plant is delicate but grows quickly when given the right care and environment. Baby okra plants usually have small, soft green leaves and thin stems. As they grow, the leaves become larger and develop a unique shape with several pointed lobes. The plant prefers warm temperatures and plenty of sunlight, which helps it grow strong and healthy. Okra plants are commonly grown in home gardens, small farms, and even in containers, when enough space is provided. The soil for baby okra plants should be well drained and rich in nutrients. Gardeners often mix compost or organic matter into the soil to improve its fertility. This helps the plant receive the nutrients it needs during its early growth stage. Proper spacing between plants is also important, because okra plants can grow quite tall once they mature. Watering is an important part of caring for a baby okra plant. The soil should be kept slightly moist, especially during the early stages of growth. However, overwatering should be avoided because too much water can harm the roots. Regular watering combined with warm sunlight allows the plant to grow steadily and develop strong stems. As the baby okra plant continues to grow, it eventually produces beautiful yellow flowers with a dark center. These flowers later develop into the familiar green okra pods. The pods grow quickly and are usually harvested while they are still young and tender. If they are left on the plant for too long, they can become hard and fibrous. One of the best things about okra plants is that they are relatively easy to grow. With the right sunlight, water, and soil, a baby okra plant can grow into a productive vegetable plant in just a few weeks. Many gardeners enjoy growing okra because it provides a fresh and healthy vegetable for cooking at home. In addition to being tasty, okra is also nutritious. It contains vitamins, fiber, and important minerals that are beneficial for health. Because of its fast growth and simple care requirements, the baby okra plant is a great choice for beginners who want to start growing vegetables in their garden. With patience and proper care, the small baby plant soon turns into a strong plant full of fresh green pods ready to harvest.